Hey Money Mount family, ever feel like you're drowning in the sea of adulthood? Between balancing classes, jobs, relationships, and trying to figure out what the heck you even want to do with your life? I get it. I was there. But what if I told you there were little shortcuts, secret weapons, or life hacks that could make navigating these crazy years a whole lot easier? That's right. Today, we're diving into 18 to 24 life hacks that will unlock your potential, boost your productivity, and set you up for major success. Let's do this. First up, we're tackling the foundation for everything, understanding yourself. Think of it like this. You wouldn't build a house on a shaky foundation, right? Same goes for your life. Knowing your strengths, weaknesses, values, and passions is the ultimate superpower. It's what allows you to make decisions that align with your true self and avoid those soul-crushing, what am I doing with my life moments. So, how do you actually become more self-aware? I've got a few tried and true methods for you. Personality assessments. Take a free online test like the 16 Personalities test. It's not gospel, but it can give you a good starting point for understanding your tendencies. Journaling. Seriously, don't knock it till you try it. Just writing down your thoughts and feelings for 5-10 minutes a day can reveal patterns you didn't even realize existed. Try answering some of these prompts. What am I most grateful for today? What are my biggest fears? What am I good at? What do I enjoy doing even when I'm not getting paid for it? Values, clarification. What's really important to you? Is it freedom, security, creativity, helping others? Knowing your core values will help you make tough decisions and choose the right path. The key is to experiment and find what works best for you. Don't be afraid to dig deep and be honest with yourself. Speaking of foundations, let's talk about the basic building blocks of adulting. I'm talking practical skills that will seriously save you time, money, and stress. I know, these might seem obvious, but trust me, mastering these basics is a game changer. Financial literacy and budgeting. This is huge. Download a budgeting app like Mint or YNAB and actually use it. Understand the difference between wants and needs, learn about credit scores, and start saving early, even if it's just a little bit. Cooking. Learn to cook a few basic healthy meals. Ordering takeout every night is expensive and unhealthy. YouTube is your friend. Start with simple recipes like pasta, stir-fries, or omelets. Basic home maintenance. You don't need to be a handyman, but knowing how to unclog a drain, change a light bulb, or patch a small hole in the wall can save you a ton of money on repairs. First aid. Learn basic first aid skills like CPR and how to treat minor cuts and burns. You can even take an online course. It could save a life. These skills are all about independence and self-reliance. Once you have these under your belt, you'll feel more confident tackling anything that comes your way. All right, now that you've got a solid foundation, let's talk about how to actually get things done efficiently. This is where you learn to work smarter, not harder, and reclaim your precious time. Time management techniques. The Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes of focused work followed by a 5-minute break, is a classic for a reason. Experiment with different techniques to find what works for you. Procrastination busting strategies. Identify your triggers for procrastination. Are you scrolling social media? Are you afraid of failure? Once you know the trigger, you can develop strategies to overcome it. Try the 5-minute rule. Commit to working on a task for just 5 minutes. Often that's all it takes to get you started. Prioritize tasks. Use a system like the Eisenhower matrix, urgent, important, to prioritize your tasks. Focus on the important tasks first, even if they're not urgent. Productivity tools. Explore apps like Todoist, Trello, or Notion to help you organize your tasks, projects, and notes. Find what works best for your style. Remember, productivity isn't about doing more. It's about doing the right things efficiently. Okay, let's talk about something that's just as important as productivity: the people in your life. Relationships are the foundation of a fulfilling life. Don't underestimate the power of strong connections with family, friends, and mentors. Value of strong relationships. Surround yourself with people who support you, challenge you, and make you feel good about yourself. Developing communication skills. Learn to communicate clearly and effectively. Be assertive, not aggressive. Express your needs and boundaries. Active listening. Truly listen to what others are saying, both verbally and non-verbally. Ask clarifying questions and show that you're engaged. Investing in your relationships is investing in your own well-being. These connections will be your support system through the ups and downs of life. Finally, the most important investment you can make is in yourself. Never stop learning and growing. The world is constantly changing, so you need to be constantly learning and adapting. Benefits of continuous learning. Stay curious, explore new interests, and never be afraid to try something new. Utilizing resources. Take online courses on platforms like Coursera, edX, or Skillshare. Listen to podcasts on topics you're interested in. Read books that challenge you. Growth mindset. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're part of the learning process. The more you invest in yourself, the more valuable you become. Plus, learning new things is just plain fun. So there you have it, 18 to 24 life hacks to unlock your potential and make these years the best they can be. Remember, you don't have to do it all at once. Pick 1 or 2 hacks that resonate with you and start implementing them today. Which hack are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Money Mount for more tips on living your best life. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.